Imagine he's switching over. See Tanisha? Oh, really? Imagine he's switching over. Hey Chat, look who we're with. We're with, it's Tuna RL. Say what's up to Chat.
Chat. Chat. What are we doing, Chat? Hello, Chat. Hi, Chat. Hello, Chat. Hi, Chat. Hi, Chat. Hello. That's Chat.
Stream, Twitch stream. Twitch? Oh,
Yeah, no, you're like.
Hey Chat.
Hi, Chat.
Let's go. Oh shit. Money Barely jumping. Where your wallet? Is that your wallet? The wallet. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, save the wallet. Woo! Woo! Oh, he flew back on. Flew back on. One more. One more. Stop my ab. One more. Ab crap, shut up. Oh my god.
That's fine.
How you feeling now, Mr. Krabs?
Fuck, money taking another shit.
Bro, it's pretty good, man. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
That's a fucking no food.
Where did you get the tuna bowl?
You got the shit.
Sick.
It looks a bit off.
It's like fucking.
It looks a bit off, bro. Do you think it's marinated?
It is marinated.
It's marinated.
It's a bit fishy, bro. It looks a bit
Take a bite, bro.
I don't want that.
So they think that I opened the door to him being accepted because I met him and he's like,
What are you doing, bro?
Trying to look at you, bro. Come here, you look shiny.
Holy.
Give me a flex.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
We could thank for us.
Okay, Rana, go.
Octopussy. Oh, man. Octopussy.
I have no idea what
I saw that one.
I'll give you 3 for 50.
Motherfucker, eh? Hey, motherfucker, eh?
you want it? Then you're gonna drink?
Are you sure you don't want the glasses? Are they like, you don't?
Mean trade. Me, that's
Do I have anything to barter?
We just scammed them, they ain't scammed us. Let's go. It's still foggy. Shit.
Ha ha ha. Haha. Okay. Haha. Okay.
How many times did you suck your nuts?
Nah, he's the man. That's the man, bro. He's fucking that bitch. Man's there up 8 times.
This is fun. Yeah, that is actually fun. At least we're not walking to the top, I guess.
Yeah. Nah, keep going. Keep dancing. Nah, we're not good.
Y'all tell me why you trapping so why do you niggas capping so why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these raps cars? Talking to some hard. I grew up in the street, that's hard.
They're going, okay. Don't tell me it's a video. Alright,
Oh my fucking.
You're a rocky ass cunt.
You gotta hold on tight for this one. That's your top there. Oh shit. You the boys!
You the boys! You the boys!
I'll take a photo. I'll take a photo. Wait, hold it again. Hold it up.
Hold it up! Yeah.
Put that on camera as well. Bro, you just bought that before you paid him as well. Oh my god. Oh fuck, that's so good, bro. Holy shit. Oh, yo, yo! Hey!
Dành gót em giao cho ông chồng mấy gì thôi
He's trying to rob him, bro. Oh!
Oh shit. Ngồi gì? Quạt lên.
Spring roll?
Oh fuck.
Shotgun race. You already know who's gonna win.
Fuck, I didn't even crack it open.
Alright. Tonight is also bingo night. I don't know what the prize is, but first the bingo gets something. Hey, what's the prize for winning bingo? Is there a prize?
Surprise me. Prize is, if you win, you get a whole row in a line. I'll lick your toes.
Keen.
Bingo thing has started.
Which one trying to get?
Shop in no hands.
Oh, okay, hold up. Yo, Ray's attempting bingo shot with no hands. Oh my goodness! Alright, can you only get one try for this bullshit though? You wanna try again? No. Okay. This guy's taking a photo with the animal. You're cheating. It counts, bro.
Hey! Not my shoe! Not my shoe! Ben, not my shoe! I refuse! I absolutely... No cunt, not my shoe. Anyone else with a waterproof shoe, take Rama's dirty shoes. Fuck you.
Yeah, steal someone's left shoe.
Oh, okay, that's fine, that's fine. I thought we didn't start yet.
You started after shotgun.
Okay, fine. That was...
Alright, Rama. How many sips do you think you're taking?
Guinness, bro. I reckon 3, bro. I reckon 3.
Three sips.
3 sips.
I reckon 2 max.
What do you reckon?
I reckon 4.
2 sips.
How many sips? How many sips?
He's not going for the G. He's not going for the G.
Oh, keep going. Keep going. You can do it.
One go.
Slowly. Slowly. Are we trying to split the G? You fucking retard.
Wait, Sebi, does this one spin the G?
No, it's not.
It's like still inside the G.
No, it has to be on the very line.
Side.
Go side. Oh.
Good effort. Go Rama. Oh, fast gun. Give him a little tickle there. Get the hot out.
Oh shit, he's actually going for it. Wait. Oh. Take a risk. Take a risk. Are you going to stay in your shot?
Let's go.
Okay. Hey, that's good. Shit. That was really good. Fucking hell.
You gonna spin the G, AJ?
Hi Ray. Let's all give to mints.
She's on a mid.
Attempt your no hand shot.
Oh yeah, deep throw there, motherfucker.
And then he's go. No, that's it, put it down.
Down with your mouth.
Counts.
That's right.
I spilled.
Bro, shall I flow sucky that for another? Yeah, sure. Bro, I want the glass.
Bro, you got that loose mouth.
No, this one's fucking...
Matthew did it.
That's why I dropped it. I'm gonna bite it, bro.
He knows what he's doing.
Suck it.
Let's put it down,
Bro, he's gonna yak it out, bro.
That's clean. But he's gonna suck some more tonight.
I'm trying to watch the technique.
Oh, there's a lot of left in there, man.
He doesn't get to get there. So you can take 2 turns now, kill him.
Shit, that's quick.
Yeah, that's the drop.
Nah, my turn.
Oh shit, clean.
Oh my god. I don't know, bro. I'm second year too. I'm actually nervous too. It ain't easy, bro. It's hard to. The hard thing is scoping. Yeah. I kind of just like. Oh, bro, that was mad easy. Damage, but I really want to see Raider. I really want to see Raider. Fucking burns, eh? You're swallowing, bro. You know what it is? It's the no lips thing, bro. Like, now you can't no lip.
We're not making it to the
Another shot, another shot, another shot.
Is that kind of the spill?
Yeah.
That's kind of the spill.
Randos.
No.
Randos, bro. Bro, you got a third, brother.
No hands. It's still in there. Nah, bro. Say my name. Can't repeat.
Hey, suck it. At least suck it, bro. At least suck it, bro.
Get that belly tonight. Belly tonight.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Fuck you for taking shit, bro. I learned my lesson the hard way. I'm not trying to attack this.
Bro, everyone. At least a sticker. At least you get a sticker.
Wait.
I know. Like 3 drinks. What the fuck?
School drinks counters.
Whoa. Hey.
Fuck it, why not?
That's a skill, bro.
That's a mean idea. That's a fucking mean idea.
Wait, this is our third drink.
Second.
No, third. Are we gonna say that hello?
Just shotgun count as one.
Yeah, this is our third drink.
Shotgun count as one.
Hello, my name is.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Andrew, and this is my third drink.
My name is Ben, and that was my third drink. Everybody's third drink.
I'm Matt. That's my third drink. Fourth.
But why is he got my team?
Fourth if you count the shot.
Andre's gonna substitute. Andre's coming in, bro.
More, keep going. A little more.
Gentlemen, remember, I have a challenge for you with a free shot.
Oh, official!
No.
No, not the group. Not the challenge.
Not the group. Okay. Here. Okay. Not the group. Now I will challenge everybody.
Okay.
I'll make this upside down with my 2 fingers.
Easy.
Okay. You want to try? You get a free shot.
Who wants a free shot?
No, you cannot try.
Wait, nominate.
You're not trying.
Wait, let the teams nominate. Let the teams nominate someone.
Wait.
I thought we counted. You lost it.
Oh, fuck. That's so easy, though.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
But if I win it, can I donate the shot?
No, but you can't turn it around it.
Come on,
Just sit up. Kila is winning. Let's spend my brother.
Alright, bingo attempt. Drink a Bintang or chug a Bintang with a straw only. Let's go, Ray. feel like chugging it from the straw is pretty.
Oh,
Wait, fuck.
okay, you're doing good, right? You're doing good.
Doing very good.
Yes. Yeah. Last 10%. Last 10%.
Go, you nearly did. You can skull the rest if the straw doesn't reach.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
That counts.
That's good. That's good shit. That's good shit. That's good shit.
My name's Ships, this is my 4th drink.
My name's Sai, this is my 4th drink. Is this my 5th? My 5th. 4th. But I had the big tango.
Doesn't matter.
My name's Ray and this is my 4th drink.
3, 2, 1. My name is Ben and this is my 4th drink.
Yes, sir. Hi, my name's Sunny. This is my 4th drink.
Come on, kill him. Strong boy. Happy Ray, that's all that matters. Do it again. Again. One more.
What was that? Rum and Coke? Yeah, rum and Coke. What do you think?
Let's go.
Wait, how well are we doing?
Get it. What's in now?
Yeah.
Can't live in real life.
Alright. This is evidence of me chasing a stranger. Thank you. Okay, another challenge I have to do is I gotta steal a stranger's left shoe. Can I please steal one of your shoes?
Not my shoes.
Sorry? I'll give it back. Are you
What
sure?
do you have
I'm
to do
sure.
with it? What for?
Oh, I just need to show evidence that I've taken a shoe.
Okay, I can give you my shoe.
Yes,
but
please.
Please give it back.
Yes, I will give it back.
Okay.
I'll give it back.
I heard him.
I'll give
He's
it
got
back.
a foot fetish. Don't do it.
Okay. I've stolen someone's left shoe.
No, I have a boyfriend. No, she has a boyfriend. She's single. She'll slap someone's bum.
Can you please just slap him on the bum?
Did he slap his bum?
Please,
Oh
please.
shit.
She can.
Slap his bum.
Smack his ass. Thank you.
Your any shoes? If that ends up anywhere on the internet, I'll sue you.
Nah, we're not presented, don't worry.
I got a picture of an animal.
Wait, who's the actual bachelor?
He's the bachelor. That's why you're slapping his
I
ass.
just slapped his ass.
He's the
He's getting
bachelor.
married. Oh my god, I'm so sorry to your future wife.
Okay, shit, what did we get? We just knocked out 3.
But you raised me from waiting for bottom.
All the way.
Honey, is that school?
This is for Matt.
We are here. Let's go, baby. Sunny's Bachelor, let's go. Hey, let's actually take
2, 1, go! Come on, Sunny! Come on, Sunny! Come on, yes! Let's go!
Hello, my name is is Rama. I'm a doctor. I love eating baguettes with tomato sauce. Cheers.
Lady boys.
We're Rama, and this is our 7th drink. And fuck the Andrew guy, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay in the middle.
Oh shit, that's clean. It's clean.
We're at our 8th bar. We're doing our 8th and 9th drinks here. My team fucking sucks.
Oh, who's winning right now?
Unfortunately, they're winning.
Bingo card, cunt.
He's only got 1 more. I got 3 more.
That's why I went there.
This guy, ass. This guy,
No,
ass.
that's mine. No.
Where's that Sri Lankan cunt?
This cunt.
This guy, ass.
Drop the drink back down.
Hi, my name is Rama, and this is my 9th drink.
That's solid. That's solid.
Bro, that's my 10th drink, bro.
Nah, that's solid. That's a nice. Anyways.
Look at this fucking loser, bro.
Sonny, you need to take one.
Record this loser, bro.
You better relax it, bro.
Record this loser.
You better relax it. Hold on.
Who are you and who are you representing?
Fuck, I ain't representing anyone by myself, cunt. I don't go fuck anymore.
What drink are you on?
I am on my 9th drink. Sonny, I am on my 9th drink. My name is, hold up, point the camera at that guy. Fuck that guy. My name is Fuck Rama, and I'm about to take my 9th drink.
Fuck you up, man. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fuck you.
You got another one.
One more?
I don't know what
One more? For who?
Me.
For you.
I did the volume.
Yeah.
He did, this guy, cameraman did the volume. I did the shots. Let's go.
Fuck you. Alright, Sunny, record it. Let me show you.
My name's Rama, the useless cunt.
My name is Rama. Be a shot.
And this is our 9th shot.
Hey.
Alright, boys. Sunny and I are about to hit the tactical yactical. We're just gonna find a little quiet corner away from the locals. You go first. Alright. Oh, I hear it. Oh, okay, that's okay. I see it. Oh, I didn't need to do it, but for the culture, let's go. guess it had to be like a proper money. What? It wasn't a money. Oh my god.
Body slamming me, bro.
Look at the world's biggest loser. Couldn't finish bingo. Couldn't help the team out in pub golf. Didn't even drink that much, and now he's fucking cooked out here. Fuck you, Ray.